Andover CAPS is a program for the juniors and seniors of Andover Public Schools. One of our main goals is to fast forward kids into authentic experiences into what they might want to do in the future.
It is a place where our juniors and seniors can come and dip their hands in whatever field they're interested in, medical, business, engineering, create, and then they're able to decide if they like that career or not.
What we're trying to do is help kids figure out what career is right for them, fast track them within that career by getting them hands-on experiences, the skills developed within the areas they need to in order to be successful, job experiences through shadowing or internships with our network partners, and then also working on authentic projects.
These students get to go and observe, explore in the lab, do things that really aren't available to them as high school students otherwise.
The best part about the CAPS program is that opportunity to create and problem solve and do things like you would do in the real world. Here in a low risk setting, you can try things out and see what happens and go through the process and sometimes come up with something really, really cool and exciting.
I'd say CAPS was probably one of the best decisions I made in high school. I really love it. It really introduced you to the real world. My favorite project was the duck bill. There was a duck that was injured, and so I was tasked with making a prosthetic for it using our 3D printers. It took a lot of trial and error, but after a while I think we got the right fit, and I think Frankie's doing good still.
I joined CAPS to kind of just explore and discover what I wanted to do. I was thinking about HR management or financial advising, and with this I can kind of like go on job shadows and explore and meet the people in the workforce and kind of hear their experiences.
It is not a college preparatory program only. It is not a career preparatory program only. I like to say that it's a life happiness preparatory program.
It is a really great opportunity for anyone to get real life experience in a career field, because I know outside of school a lot of people don't have a ton of time to do stuff. So this gives you time in school that you're not busy otherwise, and you can really kind of focus on your career and get a good idea of what you want to do when you're outside of high school.
If you're on the verge of like, oh, I don't know what I want to do in the future, I'm looking into medical, I'm looking into starting my own business, this can give you an opportunity to do those things. I'm extremely grateful that I have this opportunity because it will definitely help me figure out what I want to do in the future.